For the horizontal stabilizer, you're obviously going to need what you traced. You'll need balsa wood, and don't forget to use the scrap pieces that you had from your vertical stabilizer and fuselage. You'll need your X-Acto knife, glue, glue stick, and don't forget that little piece of tissue of a paper towel to keep your glue bottle clean after you've used it. If you placed your horizontal stabilizer too close to your fuselage, I did not here, but if you did, what you can do, so you can continue on, and this is only after your vertical stabilizer and fuselage have dried for at least one full class period, overnight in other words. Carefully tear your plane off of the plastic sheet. Don't do any cutting on the plastic sheet, and then take your X-Acto knife and trim the tissue paper. If the tissue paper is tearing when you're cutting, that means your X-Acto knife is not sharp, so you should bring me your X-Acto knife and I'll give you a new blade. So this shouldn't take too long at all. Alright, and then you're done with this. And actually at this point here you can score this. Don't forget to put your motor pin somewhere right around here. Don't forget to print your last name in marker on your fuselage. And this is actually part A right here, done. You're going to start making the horizontal stabilizer. You'll do this piece first. You'll do this piece second. You'll do this piece third. And then you'll do this piece in here fourth. And I'm going to go ahead and do most of that off camera. To stick the balsa wood to the tissue paper, you're going to use glue stick. And this is the order that I want you to do this in. And I've cut the pieces, or I'm cutting the pieces off camera, because you don't need to see me cutting the pieces since you watched the first video. Now I'm going to put this piece here, but I need to have blue glue down here. So I have a little puddle of blue glue, actually where you can't see it, but trust me, I do have the blue glue there. When you're done cutting and gluing all the pieces, it should look something like this. If any of the joints are loose, you can bring me a tray of pins, and these are all fairly tight. Do you know why they're fairly tight? You got it, because I did it. But if they are loose, bring me a tray of pins, your board, and your horizontal stabilizer, and what we'll do is we'll stick some pins to hold the pieces together. And that is Super Delta Dart Part 4, constructing the horizontal stabilizer. Next will be the wing.